Welcome ladies and gentlemen, brand new rolling heritage video. Over here we have a very bald Volvo. And as you can see, I welded the frame as you saw in the last video. So these parts are just completely done and brand new. Everything is strong on the inside, outside, everywhere. So this part of the frame is done. I need to weld these holes shut and then we can strip everything here. As you can see, I cleaned all the thick undercoat layer piece of you know what I'm saying over there. And yeah, that's very nice, but for now my rear axle has been stolen by Wisse. Hello.
Hi.
So yeah, Wisse is busy with the rear axle. We just took it off and yeah, we are now ready to remove the diff cover. So yeah, we forgot to film this, but it's a very easy step. Just couldn't disconnect everything. Like it's everything that's connected, you get it out by disconnecting it. That's the only thing you need to know working on a Volvo. So let's see what's happening here. Don't worry about the gasket, I got a new one. Look at this dirty thing.
Dirty is pretty clean.
Yeah. A little bit of color difference over there. Okay, so yeah, this is my diff. As you can see, it's a bit dirty, kind of. Not like really dirty, but yeah, keep it spinning. As you can see, the teeth all look pretty nice. This still works. Does make a sound, but do it slow. I think all those teeth over there are also nice. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this, I think. So yeah, let's take it apart more, because these axles are like pushed in, then they are clamped down with these bolts over there. Then if you remove those bolts and the diff, you can like pull them out. And then you can change your wheel bearings, which are over here. So yeah, that's what we are gonna do today. And then we are gonna clean the car, because I just found out that this is the point where your sway bar connects. And over here on the back side, I don't know if you guys can see it without the flash. So here you go. Over there, you can see a crack. So yeah, my pinhole bar, this is like the crossbar that goes around there. That pinhole bar mounts onto that point, and over there it's cracked. So yeah, that's also something way to weld. And the list just keeps getting more. So I don't even make a list, because if you would make a list, it would just get so much longer, and I would need 3 more whiteboards. So yeah, let's roll the time lapse. So guys, in a previous video you guys saw Wisse taking apart the rear axle of the car, and he just took it out, started cleaning it, got it ridiculously clean. All the rust is gone, well, most of it. But the thing that still needed to be done was take out that old rotten suspension bushings. This one, and this is the brand new one. On your rear axle, on this part of your rear axle, it's just the metal outer housing of the bushing that holds it in place. Over here you have that axle. As you can see, this is the clamp that holds the bushing. So the bushing sits like this, and the way you can get them out is by pushing them this way. I can show you with the new bushing, because look, it just slides in, and then the other clamp will hold it. And if you're not really sure about how it's gonna stay safe in there, then you can always just give it a spot weld. I'm not gonna do that because it's not necessary here. So I will make sure the bushings are out. Then I'm gonna clean those points that hold the bushings over there and over there. So I will make sure the diff is all clean and done. And when that is done, we are gonna throw some paint on there. So guys, yes, the rear axle is finally assembled. It's not completely done, but let's take the cover off. It looks pretty awesome. So as you can see over here, I completely assembled it. I put those new brake dust covers on there. They will be painted. The diff is in. It does make a sound. Don't know if you can hear that on camera. Doesn't sound very nice, but I think that's normal, and I think it will be okay, because when I turn on this side, so when I turn on the front, so where the drive shaft is actually gonna go, it's so smooth and the axles are turning. So that's a very nice and good thing. So yes, the rear axle is the very first part of the car that has been done in the color of the next the color of the underside, which is going to be, of course, that hammer finish black. I really dig it, and the bushings are already in, everything else is done, and yes, I just can't stop looking at it, because that's how the complete car will look. And I thought I'm not gonna post like 17 welding videos for you guys, because yes, I have done a very big amount of welding on this car, and I'm actually almost done with the welding. And there were some bits that have been welded in the past by, I'm not gonna name that person, but it's family, and it was just welded on top of rust, on top of other rust, and on top of the original part that also was rust. So yes, my complete jack stand, so the complete, okay, well, the complete part that you lift the car on was just gone, and I fixed that, so you will see that in the next video, which is about welding again. But for this time it was the rear axle. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll really dig it if you watch these videos, and I can't wait to show you the end result of this car, because that will be awesome, I promise you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye.